Wera. Price range: $35 to $80 for a 6-piece set. Made in Wuppertal, Germany. Who uses them? Electricians, industrial mechanics, assembly workers, automotive technicians. Wera is a German company that has been making screwdrivers since 1936. Their laser tip technology is the most important innovation in screwdriver design in the last 50 years. A laser etches a micropattern onto the tip surface, thousands of tiny cuts that create friction points between the tip and the screw recess. The result, an 85% reduction in cam out compared to smooth tips. When you push a Wera Phillips driver into a screw head and apply torque, the laser tip bites before the cam out begins. The screw drives. Their craft form handle transitions from a hexagonal grip zone for high torque turning to a round spinning zone at the top for fast one-finger driving of already started screws. The transition between zones is designed so your grip instinctively falls in the right place for the torque you need. The 6-piece Wera Craftform set covers the most used driver sizes for around $40 to $60. Sets available in slotted/Phillips, Torx, Positive, and mixed configurations. Price comparison: Wera 6-piece set, $40 to $60. Stanley equivalent, $15 to $25. The Stanley tip strips. The Wera tip does not. Weha. Price range: $40 to $90 for a 7-piece set. Made in Skonach, Black Forest, Germany. Who uses them? Electricians, electronics technicians, industrial assembly, precision mechanics. Weha has been making precision screwdrivers in the Black Forest since 1939. Industrial electricians, the kind working on 15,000 amp DC power systems, use Weha exclusively. Their VDE certification means the tool has been independently tested to 1,000 volts AC and 1,500 volts DC by a third-party German testing body. Not rated by the manufacturer. Independently certified. Their injection-molded insulation is integral to the handle, not a coating over a shank. It cannot peel because it is the handle material itself. Any electrician working on live panels in most jurisdictions must use insulated tools with verified certification. Cheap insulated screwdrivers fail this requirement in real work conditions. Their Slimline series fits inside terminal blocks where standard drivers are too wide. The soft finish handle reduces hand fatigue by 45% in extended panel work according to their ergonomic testing. Price comparison: Weha 7-piece VDE Insulated set, $55 to $85. Klein Insulated equivalent, $70 to $100. Weha costs less than Klein for insulated sets and is German-made. Vessel tools. Price range: $25 to $55 for a 6-piece set. Made in Osaka, Japan. Who uses them? Electronics technicians, appliance repair, automotive mechanics on Japanese vehicles. Vessel is the largest screwdriver manufacturer in Japan. Founded in 1916. 110 years. They make the JIS driver, Japanese Industrial Standard Crosshead, that every serious technician working on Japanese equipment must own. JIS screws look identical to Phillips screws. The recess geometry is different. A Phillips driver in a JIS recess cams out. The JIS driver fits the JIS recess perfectly and also fits standard Phillips recesses. Every Honda, every Toyota, every Japanese generator, appliance, or motorcycle made in the last 60 years uses JIS fasteners. Using a standard Phillips on these screws strips recess head slowly and then all at once. CRMOV steel. 2-zone handle. The 6-piece Megadora set, $25 to $35. Mandatory for anyone touching Japanese equipment. Price comparison: Vessel 6-piece Megadora set, $25 to $35. Wera equivalent, $40 to $60. Vessel costs less and is specifically better for Japanese equipment. Felo. Price range: $30 to $70 for a 6-piece set. Made in Neustadt, Germany. Who uses them? Industrial electricians, production assembly, industrial mechanics. Felo has been making tools in Neustadt, Germany since 1878. Their ergonomic handle has a triangular cross-section that engages the palm surface, rather than just the fingers. The geometry applies torque more efficiently because the palm is doing more of the work. For long sessions of screw driving, the ergonic handle produces measurably less hand fatigue. Their chromolybdenum vanadium tips last 300% longer under production conditions than standard driver tips, 3 times before replacement. In a production environment with hundreds of fasteners per day, tip longevity is a direct cost calculation. Their VDE Insulated range is certified to the same 1000-volt standard as Weha. Their nut driver VDE sets for terminal screws on distribution boards are the tool industrial electricians specify when setting up new panels. Price comparison. Felo ergonic 6-piece set, $35 to $55. Klein equivalent, $55 to $75. Felo is cheaper German-made, with 3x longer tip life and production use. PB Swiss tools. Price range, $70 to $120 for a 6-piece set. Made in Weha, Switzerland. Who uses them? Tool enthusiasts, watchmakers, electronics technicians, precision mechanics. PB Swiss is Switzerland. The company has been making precision hand tools in Weha since 1887. Their Swiss grip handle material provides traction in oily hands based on material coefficient of friction, not just surface texture. The anti-roll geometry prevents the driver from rolling off a sloped surface. Their tips are precision ground in Switzerland to tolerances tighter than DIN specification. A PB Swiss Phillips tip fits a screw recess the way a key fits a lock. Full engagement across the entire geometry. No rocking. No cam out even under high torque without microtexture. This is not a budget recommendation. It is the answer to the question, what is the best screwdriver? The professionals who use PB Swiss daily call it the best they have ever used. Consistently. Without exception. Price comparison. PB Swiss 6-piece. $70 to $120. Snap-on equivalent. $120 to $180. PB Swiss is better than Snap-on for screwdrivers at a lower price. Tekton screwdrivers. Price range. $25 to $50 for an 8-piece set. Made in USA. Selected models. Who uses them? General mechanics, DIYers, tradespeople who want American-made. Tekton makes screwdrivers in the United States. CNC ground tips. Triangular soft grip handles. Hard handle versions with wrench flats on the shank for applying additional torque with a wrench when a fastener will not move by hand alone. Same feature found on professional European drivers at this price point. Not as refined as German or Swiss drivers. Significantly better than hardware store brands. For general carpentry, mechanical work, and household use. The right tool for the task. Price comparison. Tekton 8-piece set. $25 to $40. Craftsman equivalent. $20 to $30, but made offshore. Tekton is American-made at almost the same price. Klein Tools screwdrivers. Price range. $10 to $80 per set. Made in Lincolnshire, Illinois, USA. Who uses them? Electricians, linemen, contractors doing American electrical work. Klein has been making electricians tools in America since 1857. Their drivers are designed for American electrical hardware, the slotted terminal screws, outlet screws, and panel fasteners that use American standard sizing. European optimized drivers, including some Weha and Wera models, can be slightly too wide for American number 2 slotted terminals. Klein fits correctly because it was designed for this work. Their cushion grip handle is what American electricians reach for by default. Not the most ergonomically engineered handle in the world. The most appropriate handle for American electrical work in American conditions. Their 6-in-1 and 11-in-1 multi-bit drivers are the tools in every electrician's back pocket. One handle. Multiple tips. No separate case. Price comparison. Klein 8-piece cushion grip set. $55 to $80. For American electrical work, this is the correct tool. Weha is better for European standard work. Klein is better for American work. Buying guide. Match the brand to the work. Live electrical work. Weha VDE Insulated. Non-negotiable. Certified to 1000 volts. Not a suggestion. Japanese equipment. Vessel JIS. Every Japanese fastener. Not optional. Daily production screw driving. Wera laser tip for cam out. Felo ergonic for fatigue. Either or both. American electrical work, Klein. American fasteners. American standard sizing. American made. American-made general use, Tekton. Budget-appropriate quality made in the USA. Best regardless of price, PB Swiss. Switzerland. Once. Done. General DIY upgrade, Wera 6-piece craft form. $40 to $60. The single upgrade that changes how every screw feels. 7 brands. All used daily by professionals who stopped shopping for screwdrivers a long time ago because they found what works. The screwdriver is the most used tool in any toolkit. It deserves this much consideration. Subscribe. We cover every hand tool and workshop essential exactly like this. One topic at a time. No padding. Next video. 5 affordable saw blade brands that cut cleaner than Diablo.